Considering the young age of the accused at the time of committing crime and no past history of any crime, the North Goa Additional Sessions Court has sentenced the convict Anis Darwajkar to undergo simple imprisonment for 7 days in drugs trafficking case. Anis Darwajkar was arrested by anti-narcotics cell for being in illegal possession of 495 grams of charas on 9th October 2012 at Asagaon. He remained in police custody for 7 days and was later released on bail. Forensic report confirmed that the substance seized from the possession of Anis was charas, and further on the basis of depositions of the witnesses, charges against Anis was proved. The court, while holding Anis Darwajkar guilty for the offence, considered him being first-time offender and of young age, awarded simple imprisonment for 7 days and also allowed to set off his police custody period of 7 days against the awarded sentence period. But the court ordered him to pay a fine of 10,000 rupees to show deterrence. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.